Vargo. Here. Adrian Davenport, Chief Executive Officer. Present. Rodrigo Castro Silva, County Council. I'm here. And Susan Zavala, Executive Officer. Here. We will now take public comments. Executive officers, please read the call and information that was also provided on the agenda and explain the speaking rules to those members of the public who are calling in to address the board. As indicated on the agenda, 877-692-8955 and use participant code number 133-6503. To repeat, please call 877-692-8955 and use participant code number 133-6503.
Good morning, everyone.
Do not call that number if you only want to listen to the meeting. To listen only, please call 877-873-8017 and follow the instructions. Based on the limited number of calls received during special closed session meetings, a total of 5 minutes will be allocated to the public comment portion of the meeting. Each person will have 1 minute to speak on the closed session item. We will continue to accept all written comments that come in during the meeting, which will become part of the record. When speaking on the agenda item, you must be on topic. Our goal is to get through as many speakers as we can. If you're not speaking on topic or if we cannot tell if you're speaking on an agenda item, you will get one warning from County Council or the Chair. If you do not immediately or clearly get on topic, or if you stray off topic again, you will forfeit the rest of your time, and the Chair will move to the next speaker. Please note that if you're also listening to the board meeting on a computer or speakerphone, you will need to turn down the volume on those devices as soon as the moderator calls on you. If you do not turn down the volume, there will be an echo. Moderator, may we have the first speaker, please?
As a reminder to address the board, if you have not already done so, please press 1 then 0 at this time. Do not press 1 0 a second time. You will be removed from the queue.
We will now hear the Spanish interpretation of this reminder.
Como recordatorio, para dirigirse a la Junta, si uno lo ha hecho, presione 1 luego 0 en este momento. No presione 1 luego 0 por segunda vez, o será eliminado de la fila. Gracias.
Thank you. May we have the first speaker, please?
Our first participant is Roy Humphreys. You have 1 minute. Please state which items you'll be addressing today. Please begin.
I'll be addressing CS1. A major failing in this suit is the absence of the term transients a la the Venice Beach syndrome. All current supervisors should forfeit their pay until this matter is permanently resolved, and past supervisors' total past compensation should be recovered and be grateful to have their retirement. No more $2.5 million skateboard parks a la South Whittier or Shabaram $1 million dog parks until this issue is permanently resolved. The constituents must stop drinking the Kool-Aid and pay the piper. The Frenchman notes, the people get the government they deserve. Thank you.
Thank you. Next speaker, please.
Our next participant is Eric Preven. You have 1 minute. Please state which items you'll be addressing today. Please begin.
I'll also address CS1. It's Eric Preven, and, today on your agenda is the Alliance lawsuit, and interestingly enough, the judge, David O'Carter, is hearing in federal court this morning that idiot John Eastman's case from Chapman University about the shocking. But listen, the privilege is the Board of Supervisors, the 5 powerful women who the electorate put in power, and you should be instructing County Council Mr. Rodrigo Castro Silva and Ms. Whitehurst and Pinkham Davis to open the kimono finally and show the public the Skip Miller billing records and the Covington and Burling agreement, because we have an interest, the public, because we have a right to know how the county is spending taxpayer money in pending or completed litigation, especially when that litigation involves controversial and possibly illegal practices. So we want to be sure that proper oversight is being administered by the county council over these private law firms' billing practices. But how can we do that if you don't provide? At least the public should be able to...
Excuse me, your time has expired. May we have the next speaker, please?
Madam Chair, there are currently no additional speakers in queue to address the chair.
To ensure we allow the full 5 minutes for public comment opportunity, the caller line will remain open until 9:40, and we'll take any other callers that come in by that time. Thank you for your patience, and please stand by. Thank you very much to the members of the public who called in. We've reached 9:40, so our time has come to a close. We want to thank everyone. If you're unable to provide comments, you still may submit written comments as indicated on the agenda. We'll continue to accept all written comments that come in during the meeting, which will become part of the official record. That concludes public comments. Executive officers, please read us into closed session.
Madam Chair?
And Supervisor Solis, I'm sorry, you've been added to the roll. I see you.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Of course.
Okay. Thank you.
In accordance with Brown Act requirements, notice is hereby given that the Board of Supervisors will convene in special closed session to discuss item CS1, conference with legal counsel regarding existing litigation as indicated on the posted agenda. Thank you.
Thank you.